Hey guys, I just want to show you how I made Dataman and what it can do now. I think it's pretty insightful and the things it's already capable of is pretty cool. So this is an AI news table that I just made. Before I show you how it runs, I'll show you like basically what it does is it collects the latest news items in the last month or in this case, the last 3 weeks since the 1st of September. And you can see that every time it finds all the latest articles and then creates a summary of those articles. So this is, you can imagine like running this, for example, for yourself, for all the companies you want to know the announcements about. And you could then basically stay updated every week by getting a summary of all the announcements with links if you want to read more. This would be a very useful personalized newsletter, for example. So how I did it is first I just generated a list of company names, and I also filled in a couple of them that I wanted myself, but I asked for the big tech companies. I did that like this. So I basically sorry, I asked list 20 big tech companies that do lots of AI stuff. Well, then it got these, and then I also added OpenAI and like some other cool AI startups. Then the second thing I did is asking for the blog through a Google search. So then I find the URL of the blog of that company. After that, I ran this specific thing that's quite hard, of course, but after you learn the tricks, it's quite easy. You can, like, I'm looking for all the posts that came out on the blog after a certain date. And then you get like a list of all the announcements, basically, all the blogs. And then the last one is very simple. I ask it to consider the announcements and then tell me what happened in a summary if there's anything that happened. So if you want to see how that runs, I'm gonna rerun it for you just to show you how fast and useful this is and how easy it is to get like data like this. So all you need to do is select all columns, click Magic Fill, and click Recalculate. So in this case, recalculate because we already calculated it before. And so as you can see, it will, as soon as possible for each row, it will do the calculations and it will come up with all the news. This is just one of the many things you can do with Dataman. You just try it out and try to create some columns. There's lots of plugins here. Many of them are Google, but we also have text to image, text to speech, translation, language detection, and website scraping. So yeah, I hope you like it. I'm working on it still to make it even better for you, and hope you give it a try. Thanks.